Hi, my name is Maria Chiata, and I am Executive Secretary of the Parents Association of the Experimentary Primary Schools of the University of Athens, also known as Marasliou Schools. Our association is based in Athens. I had the opportunity to attend the courses that Mr. Nikolaos Floratos delivers about successful project management and writing winning and innovative proposals, as we all know that the most important step for receiving a grant from the European Commission is to write a well-documented proposal. Under the directions of Mr. Floratos, our association was able to participate in 2 European-funded programs, and we are expecting for more to follow. As the company of Mr. Floratos is approved by the Institute of Leadership and Management, I also had the chance to receive a certificate after the end of the courses. I strongly recommend this course on anyone interested or active in the area of European funding, proposal writing, and project management. Mr. Floratos has the expertise to provide you courses of excellent quality. Thank you.